right. So the step number 2 for setting up your DallowryFlow account is I always recommend that you go in and check on your staff. So you see here, you've got 2 different people here. We do need to change this phone number, right? Because we want to use the phone numbers that we purchased here, not the actual physical phone numbers of the person. So we're going to come copy this phone number that we purchased. And again, you can add a new number here. So if you don't have a phone number yet, you can add a phone number for SMS and calls. And then this is the only place that you'll go. And then from here, you'll decide if you want it local, which is listed right here, and you can narrow it down by the state, or toll free. Again, toll free is a little bit more expensive. Local's $1.72 in this case. Toll free is $3.22 in this case, but we do recommend you have 1 local and 1 toll free. So we're going to come back over to Ben Gardner's profile, and when we hit edit, it pulls up information like this. So I would go ahead and I would update this to the company's logo. So we're going to do that right now. A square logo works best. See how it's got no background, how it's grayed out? We do want one that has a white background because it can tend to show up weird sometimes if it does not have a white background. So see, now it has a white background. Okay, we'll leave the personal phone number there and we'll forward it on our settings. I would include a signature. You don't have to. And sometimes on the signatures, I'll leave a space right here because I like to change out my sign off. So sometimes it's sincerely, sometimes it's thank you, anything like that. Calendar, there's no specific calendar that we want listed here, but if Ben had his own calendar link, that is where you would select it here. Okay, if it's just a general calendar, you don't necessarily want that going out, don't put it in your signature. Next, user permissions, you can toggle on and off anything that you'd like. So you can make it where only the data, so for sales agents, this is really good, only assigned data. That means if they added the lead or you assigned the lead, they can see it. If they did not add it and you did not assign it, they can't see it. So they can't see anybody else's information. You can toggle on and off any settings that you would like to for the other person. So typically, if you're just getting started or your manager's just learning the system, it might be helpful to toggle off things that they're not going to use, or again, things that you just don't want them getting into. User roles, admin means they can change the settings. Okay, user means they can just enter the system. So make sure you select that really carefully. Call and voicemail settings. So now we can make a voicemail just for Ben. So we need a voicemail for Ben Gardner when he doesn't answer the phone from a Benson's client. And sometimes ChatGPT just takes a little bit to think. All right, copy, paste. This has been Gardner with Benson's Home Maintenance. I'm sorry I can't take your call right now, but your home's well-being is our priority. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, you can visit our website at www to learn more information. Take care of your home maintenance soon. Look forward to speaking to you soon.
Hello, this is Ben Gardner with Benson's Home Maintenance. I'm sorry I can't take your call right now, but your home well-being is our priority. Please.
So that one sounds a little too robotic, so let's bump down the stability a little bit more and try again. And sometimes the word hello sounds weird, I've noticed.
Hello, this is Ben Gardner with Benson's Home Maintenance. I'm sorry I can't take your call right now, but your home's well-being is our priority. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, you can visit our website at www.bensons.io to learn more about how we can take care of your home maintenance needs. Thank you for choosing Benson's, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. This is Ben Gardner with Benson's Home Maintenance. I'm sorry.
Just keep going until you get the voicemail that you want. You can also record them. I just always tend to mess up at the very last.
This is Ben Gardner with Benson's Home Maintenance. I'm sorry I can't take your call right now, but your home's well-being is our priority. Please.
That sounded sarcastic.
This is Ben Gardner with Benson's Home Maintenance. I'm sorry I can't take your call right now, but your home's well-being is our priority. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, you can visit our website at www.bensons.io to learn more about how we can take care of your home maintenance needs. Thank you for choosing Benson's, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.
It's gonna get even shorter.
This is Ben Gardner with Benson's Home Maintenance. I'm sorry I can't take your call right now, but your home's well-being is our priority. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for choosing Benson's, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.
Okay, that one's good enough. Come back over here. We're gonna upload.
This is Ben Gardner with
We're gonna make it a 10-second. User availability. So this one, there actually is a specific day and time that he is available. So he's not available Tuesday or Monday or Friday. So it's just Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And his hours to take appointments are going to be 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So I just need to update each of these. Actually, let's apply all, save us some time. Use calendar configuration, we'll set that up later. So we're gonna hit save. So that has now updated Ben's information on the system. Now on the phone numbers, this is where we're gonna have it forward. So we're gonna go to phone numbers, we're gonna find this main line, and we're gonna make sure that it is forwarding to his phone number, which it is. So we are good there.